Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, because we know we got new people every day. So what's up? So FYI guys, I'm still dealing with my eye. You can't really tell because it's hard to see it, but it is in pain. I went to the doctor finally and got some eye drops, so we're working on it. So that's why I'm just not going to put makeup on for today's video. I would bring homegirl Tina to play in this video. On to what today's video is about. I got something for Christmas and it's pretty exciting. It actually came in after Christmas. I first saw this product a couple months ago. Jeffree Star and I think it was Laura Lee. Yeah, they did a video with it and it was this viral, I don't know if it was viral, but I'm pretty sure it like went big. A brush cleaner, like handheld brush cleaner thing where you don't have to clean your brushes, but you know what I mean? Where you stick it in there and, you know, alright. And I was like, dude, I totally have to film with this. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to attempt to clean my brushes with this product. I don't even know what it's called. It doesn't even have a name on the box other than it tells you what to do. It claims to clean and dry your brushes ready to use in 30 seconds. I don't know about that because I don't think I trust that. So if you want to see me attempt to clean my brushes with this machine and pray for me and watch the disaster unfold, then please keep watching. So it doesn't really have any, like I said, directions on it, and maybe there's some in the box, so we're just gonna rip right into this, see what it's about. Maybe this is some directions. Ooh, it's pink. I haven't seen a pink one. This looks like something, but we're PG here, so I'm just gonna keep that to myself. What kind of batteries? I don't want to get up. I thought I had everything here. Alright. So, I don't know what you are. Don't know what you are. Tell me a whole lot of what to fix. I hope this is like easy to figure out. It's so cute though. It's pink. I love the color of it. Guys, I'm not going to get through this without itching my eye. Oh, it's so cute. Does it? Alright, let me take all these. I guess these just sit on here. I don't know why they packed it in the bowl. What the fuck? So I'm just gonna put these on here. Like, I feel like it should have came like that with them already on there, but whatever. So I want to go get AAA batteries right now, dude. Alright, so we're back. And while we're gone, I put batteries in there. And I popped this thing on here because I know that's where it's supposed to go. And I don't know if I'm just not putting it on properly. Or if it's supposed to be like me. Because when I turn it on... Oh, it's working now. Like just 2 seconds ago, I swear, it just like... popped off. Okay, so it's charged now, batteries, whatever. What brush? What I'm going to do, I brought a cup of water, and I don't know if there's like a line to stop at. It doesn't specify. On soap, help save the wildlife, not spons. I don't think Dom would ever sponsor me. Just a little bit in here. Okay. That should be enough. I don't know. It doesn't really give me any direction on how much to fucking put in it. So I don't know which handle should use. I don't have a brush that big. I don't know. Try my fan brush because it looks a hot mess. I don't know why it looks this dirty. I haven't been using it. Maybe that's why. Because it looks stained. I think I used this for Halloween makeup for work. And that might be why it looks like that. I don't know. So we're going to see which one. I guess it could fit in this one. I feel like this is gonna be like a train wreck. I don't know. We'll see. So let me make sure I'm doing this right before I hook up my brushes. I'll pop this on there. This feels wrong. This feels wrong. I'm scared. Okay. Alright. Let's try this again. Where's the button? Guys, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. Alright, we're gonna try it. Pray for me. Okay, so it's down. I'm gonna kind of move it around just to get the soap going. Look how dirty it already got the water. It's spilling out. Oh, it's not on there. Crap. It's not on there. What the fuck? Oh my god, guys, this is turning into a disaster. I don't know how long to do this for. Okay, above the water. No! I mean, I cleaned it, but I don't think it's dry. Okay, I mean, other than the fact that I can't figure out why this won't stay on the fucking spindle. Look at it, guys. Stop. Wow, I dried it though. Oh my god. Okay, this might not be like the worst idea ever. It's still a little dirty, but like I said, I use like paint with it for Halloween and shit, so. But I mean, it's dry. I mean, it feels clean. It looks clean. So I'm actually pretty impressed. Now, that's just one brush though, guys. So let's move on to another one. My highlighting brush. So I use the Sephora, it's called the Pro Contour 79, but I use this for my highlight. So we're gonna try this one. Let me find the perfect thing for it. It might be the same one I just took off. Guys, what the fuck? This is gonna like ruin it. Put it down in the water. Guys, what the fuck am I doing wrong? Oh, I hate this stupid thing right now. Please note, makeup brushes in this device are delicate. You think? Literally, it doesn't tell me anything except connect silicone attachment to the spindle and motorized handle. I fucking did that. I don't know. This video is gonna be like an hour long just because it's fucking thing. Do I spin it down or something? Like, this fucking gives me no directions. Alright. Not only can I not get it to fucking stay on this, I mean, I can get it back to the normal shape, so I guess that's not an issue. So you can't really get mad. That's the thing that's pissing me off so much, is this would be a really cool product and it's actually like cleaning and drying my brushes. I just can't for the life of me get it to stay on this. Goodbye. I'm done. Peace out. Attempt to try my Sigma E40 blending brush. This is like my holy grail eyeshadow overall blending brush. So we're gonna give it a go. Let's try this. Gonna dip it down in here. Oh, fucking bitch. I don't want to dry it in the bowl because it's dropping in the bowl and then it's just getting it wet and then it just... This is the part that's making me so mad. Okay, let's have a chat. I'm done with this. Let's just put this away because I'm frustrated. So, fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you and fuck all of you guys. So let's have a chat. Now that I've got my anger out, kind of. So, these are the 3 brushes that I tested it on, as you can see in the video. And if you look at them, they look really clean, right? I mean, they look good. This is the part I'm struggling with. I can't fucking use it. Because for whatever reason, this machine and this little spindle thing that you put this into, it just flies right the fuck off. Like, how am I supposed to use this? How? You guys, I have a feeling I'm doing this all wrong, but based on their instructions, I'm doing it right. So either the product is just a shitty, cheap product, or they need to specify more in here what the fuck I'm supposed to be doing. God, I'm cussing a lot in this video, but it's because I had actually, you know what? I didn't have high expectations for it. I was like, you know what? It's going to ruin my brushes. That's what I was worried about. I was worried it was going to ruin my brushes, and it didn't. It washed them, and they're fairly dry, and I barely had it in there for that long. So the fact that it's doing a good job, the actual product, but that this is so fucking cheap that I can't get it to just keep the brushes in there, it's no good. I can't use it because it's literally, I mean, I can make it work and just deal with it. Just make it work and deal. Well, comment down below if I was doing something wrong. Please let me know because I honestly don't know what I was doing wrong. I don't know. But yeah, that is the end of this video. I'm gonna be done with this. I wanted to do so many more of my brushes to test out for you guys, but if it's gonna keep falling off like that, it's like no point to a video that it's just gonna keep falling off. So yeah, I hope this was somewhat entertaining for you because it obviously wasn't anything else but entertainment and failure. So yeah, if you enjoyed watching this fail, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up because I greatly appreciate it. It will make all this disaster worth it. It will make me feel so much better. Yeah, and make sure you hit that subscribe button right here. I know it's down there somewhere chilling, looking lonely. Just give us some company. Just give some love. Find this family we have, and I love you guys so much. You have no idea. I'm obsessed with you guys. It's a little unhealthy how obsessed I am with you guys, and that's the end of it. So you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!